Okay, first thing we want to do is remove our oil fill cap. That's going to help the crankcase breathe properly when draining our engine oil. For that, we're going to remove our lower fairing. It's held in place with 5 4mm Allen bolts. Just remove the bolts, and then there's a push pin on the lower fairing that you got to pop out of place. Then it'll come right off. Now, using a 17mm socket, we'll remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. While the oil is draining, it's a good idea to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's missing or damaged, you'll want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Now, we'll go ahead and reinstall our drain bolt and torque it to 31 foot-pounds. Now, using a 65mm oil filter wrench, we'll go ahead and remove the old oil filter. You just simply thread it off. But just take your time because it's pretty tight in there, so it may be a little bit of a pain to remove. Now, when installing the new oil filter, luckily Yamaha pre-lubricates the gasket from the factory, so we don't have to apply any oil to the gasket. We simply just thread it in place and torque it to 12 foot-pounds. And we'll take some contact cleaner and spray off the exhaust manifold to prevent any smoking whenever we fire it back up. Now we'll go ahead and reinstall the lower fairing, and to do that we just repeat the same steps in reverse as before. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Yamaha states that this unit holds right at 4 quarts of Yamalube 10W40 motorcycle oil. Now we'll reinstall our oil fill cap. After that, we're going to start the engine up, let it idle for just a few moments. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. Then we're going to shut it down and let it sit for a few moments. That way we can achieve an accurate oil level reading. Looking at the sight glass, we want to be in the middle to upper portion of the sight glass. And this looks great, so let's hit the street.